Godzilla claws. I mean, look at these things, man. Suck it out.
You're walking along the breathtaking coast of Galicia, Spain, and people are eating dinosaurs. No, you aren't hallucinating. These are goose or gooseneck barnacles, a delicious crustacean especially prized in Europe. But they do look like dinosaur toes, so no one can blame you for getting confused. As strange as they look, these barnacles will cost you a pretty penny. What makes them so expensive? How did they get their strange name? Why is gathering them so dangerous? Stay put as we plunge into the answers. They are called Persebes by Europeans, and despite their name, they don't have anything to do with geese. But a century ago, Galicians thought the crustacean were goose eggs. Geese usually lay their eggs in distant spots, and since these barnacles are collected close to the time that goslings hatch, people mistakenly put one and one together.
Come on, little one.
What do these barnacles taste like? Some people might tell you Persebes tastes like the sea. Others will say that the sea tastes like barnacles.
This is a load of barnacles.
But Galicians describe the flavor as between a lobster and a clam. Nowadays, this glamorous seafood sells for $74 or more per kilogram. But a century ago, gooseneck barnacles were so common and abundant that Galicians not only ate it, they used it as fertilizer and fed it to their livestock. This bizarre seafood continued to be affordable for almost a century. It wasn't considered haute cuisine until a fancy chef changed that in the mid-1990s. The great Spanish chef Ferran Adrià invented a dish named La Maluscada that combines a lot of mollusks and includes the gooseneck barnacle. The creation was a hit, and the gooseneck barnacle's popularity skyrocketed. But with the increased demand came a desire for the highest quality mollusk, and harvesting the gooseneck barnacle became increasingly dangerous. Why? Well, this funky creature has no eyes, arms, or face, but it lives quite a life, let me tell you. It travels the oceans as floating larvae until it finds its special place, usually a rock where it settles down. The barnacle will stick to that spot for the rest of its life. Now that's what I call loyalty. But that love affair is what makes harvesting the barnacle so incredibly dangerous. The people who risk their lives to collect the barnacles are called perseberos. They climb the slippery rocks located where the waves break. They learn to walk through the cliffside where the tiniest mistake could result in serious injury or death. They wear neoprene suits, and sometimes they tie themselves to the rocks with a rope to prevent being dragged into the strong ocean currents. Despite that, unfortunately, many perseberos have lost their lives harvesting the crustaceans. From 1991 to 2009, 28 deaths were blamed on gathering the gooseneck barnacles. But the number could be much higher. A lot of perseberos perform their job illegally without a license. Why would anyone risk their life for mollusks? Well, perseberos can earn up to 480 euros for one trip. They also have a deep connection with the sea and play a crucial role in keeping Galician sea traditions alive. I think it's safe to say that people risking their lives so you can enjoy a fancy dish aren't shellfish at all. And if eating dangerous food is your thing, I dare you to check out our video on torafugu, a fish so dangerous that you'll need a license just to cook it. That and more await you on other episodes of Origins of Food.